Hey guys, we're back with Wyatt's Tractor Sales for another video. Today we're at Mount Sterling, Missouri at the Heseman farm equipment auction conducted by Wheeler Auction. Got lots of big farm equipment today, lots of tillage equipment, augers, planters, tractors, a combine, some grain trucks, all kinds of good stuff. We'll let you get right to the auction.
Watch the field behind the plow, turn two straight dark rows, feel the trickle in your clothes, blow the dust cakes from your nose, hear the tractor's steady roar. No, you can't stop now, with a quarter section more or less to go.
116, here's 856, guys. A pretty doggone looking good manure spreader, boys. You bet. They used her right along now. I got 1,000 from the net. 1,500 now, two. Now 222. I'm at 1,500 now 2. Now 2,025. 25 now 3. 3,000 now 335. I'm at 4. I'm at 4,000 now 35. Now 4 and 4,000 now 45. Now 45. I'm at 4,000 now 45. 4,500. I'm at 4,000 now 5. I'm at 45. Now 5. Now 5. Now 4,000. Give me 2.5. I'm at 4,000 now 2.5. I'm at 4,000. 42.5. Do you want it? I'm at 442. You can use her, boys. 45. 42.5. 500 now 45 now 4,500 at 42.50 now 500 4,500 here now get a bit of time 500 now 45 I'm at 45 now 5 now 5 3 4 43 44 at 44 now 5 now 500 now 600 at 45 4600 now 500 now 600 now 600 now 4400 now 500 now 44 45 at 45 now 45 one more sir I'm gonna get 45 now 5 now 600 at 45 4600 now 600 now 4600 and now you get it? 600 under now, 600 under now, 45, 600, 600 under now, 40. I can't see him. 45, 4600 under now, 600, 600 under now, 4600 under now, 500 under now, 600 under now, 4600 under now, 600. I have sold it. $45. 99 is the buyer. 99, guys, a good cutter now. Good cutter, been using it right along. All right, having $1 there, $1,000, 1,500 now two. I'm at 1,500 now two, no 2,000 now 1,500 now two. 1,500 here now two, 2,000 now two, 2,000 now two, no 2,000 now 1,500 now two. At $2,000, I'm at 1,500 now two, no 2,000 now two. Gonna give me 17.5. I'm at 15, 17, 50. I'm 1,500 now 17, 50. I get a booth now 17.5. It's all right, boys. 15, 17, 50. I'm at 15, 17.5. 1,500 now 17, 50. I get a baby down 17, here I get a baby down 17 and a half. I have 1,500 down 17, 50. I'm at 1,500 down 17, here I get a baby down 17 and a half. Here we go. I have 15, 17 and a half. Pull me up. I have 15, 50, 17, 50 down 17, 50. Here I get a baby down 1,600. Anybody else? 15, 16. I have 15, 16. I down 1,600. Here I get a now 17. I have 16, 50, 17, 17. I down 17. Clinch your water 17. I have 16, 17. I down 17. I down 16, 50, 17. Sold it 1,600. Darren buys. Way in the back there, but remember. 211, roll up, sell a house, 10-foot cutter. Boys, a good outfit here. All right, $5,000 bill, 12.5. You 1,000 and 12.50. I'm 1,000 and 12.5. You 1,000 and 12.50. We're going 12.50 now, 12.5, 12.5, 1,000 and 12.5. You 1,000. Hello, Mark. How are you? I got 1,000 and 12.50. I 1,000 and 12.5. Good to see you, Mark Shaper Cutter. Good to see you. 1,000 and 1,100. 11 and 12. I bid 11 and 12. 13, 14, 14, 13, 14, 16. I'm 15, 16, 15, I'm with Williams now, 15, 16, 17, and now 17, 18, 17, 18, and now 18, and now 18, I get a bit of 18, I get down 17, 18, I'm at 17, 18, and now 18, 18, and now 17, 18, and now 18, here we go, at 17, 18, and now 18, 18, and now 18, 1800, I have sold it, $1,700 on 1,700, Charleston, Brett's Way. 214, 214. All right, got a hydraulic haul cart. You bet you. Right there and having $1, 500, 600. I'm at 500 down 600. Well, 500 down 600 down 500 down 700. I'm at 600 down 700. I'm 700 down 600 down 700 down 700 down 700 down 8. 800 down 9. 900 down 1,000 down 1,000. I'm at 900 down 1,000 down 11. I 11 here now 12, 12, 13, 14, 15. Breaking out all over 14, 15. And now 15. 100 down 14, 15. 100 down 16. I'm at 15, 16. 100 down 15. 100 down 16. 100 down 16. 100 down 15. How about you, Internet? 1,600. How'd you get 16, 17? I had 16, but you get 17. 18, 19, 2, now 2021, now 21, 2, 22, now 2, now 2, now 22, now 2, here now you be 22. He's at 2, 21. I'm at 2 and 21. No, my money's right here. Nope. That gentleman looked me right now. 2, 21. You got to be 21. 21. Now 1. Sold it. $2,000. You bought it, sir. 2,000. Equipment now. You talk about good stuff, boys. They were new, bet you. They did all their own hay work now. They bought it brand new right here. Shepherd cutters and crown. All right, $1,000, 2, 3,000. 2,000 now 3. 2,000 now 3. 3,000 now. You're not gonna be able to get 2,000 now 3. 3,000 now 25. 3. 23. 35. I'm at 3 and 35. 4. Now 4,000 now 35. Now 45. Now 5. Now 5,000 now 45. Now 5,000. 5,000 now 5,000. You're not gonna be able to get 5,000 now 45. Now 5. 5,000. Now 5,000. I'm at 45. Now 5,000. Now not gonna be able to get 5,000. Get 47 and a half, sir. 45, 47 and a half. At 45. Now 47 and a half. 50. I'm at 45. Now 7 and a half. Now 5. Now 5,000. Now 5,000. Maybe not gonna be able to get 5,000. Now 47 and a half. 5. Got Sullivan, Missouri, and 47, 50, $5,000. At 5,000 now 5. Get $5,000. Here not gonna be able to get 5,000. Now 47 and a half. 5. You having fun, Charlie? At 47 and a half. 5. Get 5,000 now 5,000 now 5,000 now. You're the price is right. I get 47 and a half. 5,000 now 5,000 now. Sold it. 4,700 now 50. 93681. 93681. Guys, you talking about one like a brand new right here. It's a 2016 year model, boys, and a good rig right there. $25,000 on there. Now 75. Now 10. Now 12. Now 15. $12,000. 15. You 15,000. I'm at 12,000. Now 13. 14. I get 13. 14. I get 13. 14. Now 15. 15. Yes, 15. 16. 17. 17. 18. 19. 20. Now 20,000. Now 21. 1,000. Now 1. Now 20,500. 21. 152. 22,000. Now 553. 23,000. Now 3. Now 3. Now 5. 5. I'm not going to be able to get 23. 5. No. 23 right here with Brett. No, Kirby. No. I'm right here with Brett. Now 23. 5. I get 23 now. 5. Kirby. 5. Now 4. Now 4. 5. 24. 5. Now 5. Now 25. 5. 25. 5. 25. 5. 25. 5. Now 6,000. Now 26,000. Now 6,000. Now 6,000. Now 5. $26,000. Now $500. Here now get maybe 5. I get 26,000. 5. $26,000 down. $500. Here now get maybe 26,500, sir. 26,500. Your neighbor's in. You're out. 26,500 all done. Now 7. Now $27,000. Now 7,000. Now $27,000. Now 7,500. $27,000 now 500. Now 5.
Anybody else?
Here now get maybe 27,500. Do you want to maybe the 500? Now 27,500. All right. 27,500. Do you want to maybe the 500? 27,500. I'm gonna have 27,500. All done. Last and final call. Sold it. I said it all. 27,000. Got to be fair to everybody. 79. Thank you, though. Thank you very, very much. We do appreciate it. Guys, there's about just a few over 10,000 bales on it. They used a 7120 on it. We originally came down here. We booked the sale. Had like 10,000 and 200 or 300 bales, okay? Right there, you talk about a good rig, guys. Got the big tires on her. It's twine and net. Got the whole thing right there. You betcha. There's a motor ready to go. 30 grand on her. 30. 30,000 and 30,000 and 10. 12,500. 10,000 and 12,500. 10,000 and 12,500. 12,500. You're not gonna be able to get 10,000 and 12. 10,000 and 12,000 and 12. 12,000. You're not gonna be able to get 12. 15. Now 15,000 and 15,000 and 12,000. Give me 13. 13,000 and 12,000 and 13. 13,000 and 12,000. 13. 14. I get 13. 14,000 and 14. 14,000. I'm at 13. 14,000 and 14,000 and 13. 14,000 and 14. 14,000 and 13. 14. I get 13,000 and 14,000 and 14. I get 13,000 and guys, a new one's about 60,000. Now that's done 10,000 bales. And I tell you what, it's not near wore out at 10,000 bales. Boys, study your lesson here. Study your lesson here. 12,500, 15,000. 12,500. Wheeler Lives in. 12,500, 15. 12,500, 15. Now 15,000. Now 15. 15,000. Now 15. When I get 13,000 on my baler, I get 13, 14. Now 13. Give me 5. Wheeler Live. 13, 13, 5. I'm at 13, 5, 13, 5. Wheeler Live, you're out. 13, 13, 5. I get 13. Got equipment facts now. 13,000, 13, 5. Here's a bargain. I get 13, 13, 5. Do you want them to be a 5, 14? I get 13, 5, 14, 14,000. Now 13, 14. Now 5. I get 14, 14, 5. I'm at 14. 14,000 and now 5, 14. I get a bit of here, I get a bit of 5, 5. I get 14, 5. I'm at 14,000 and now 5, now 5 and 5, now 14, 5. Here we go. At 14,000 and now 5, now 14, 5, and all done. 14, 5. Here's a buy, boys. You want her? At 14, 5. Somebody gonna say, I wish I'd have bought that damn baler. 14, 5. It's gonna be too late. I get 13, 5 right here. Wheeler lives in 14. Now 14. Equipment facts, you got to be 14. You got to be 14. $14,000. 13, 5. 14,000 now 14. Do you want it 14? Now 5. Now 14, 5. Wheeler line 14, 5. I got 14, 5. All done. Last final call. 14, 5. And I have 14,000 now 5. Now 14. I got a bit of here. I got a bit of 5. Now 14, 5. And all done. And I have 14, 5. And I sold it. 14,000. 93681. 93681 right here. Watch Kirby on this next deal. That's how it all started right there. Oh, there's a good idea right there, guys. Got a little bale wagon. We're gonna give it to David, Charlie. All right, having an honors right there, and having an honors honor, $3,000 honor, 500. 600. I'm at 500 now, 600 now, 500 now, 700. It's 800 now, 900 now, 900 now, baby, to get 500 now, 13, 500 now, 13, 14, 13, 14. Do you want to here? Negative, baby, now 15, 16, 17. 16, to get 1700. 1700 now, 16, to get 1700 now, 17. Freddie Beerman. 16, to get 1700 now, 1700. I'm at 1600 now, 1700 now, 17. Do you want to here? Negative, baby, now 17, 16, 17. 16, 1700 now, 17. Here we go. 16, 17, 18, 1800 now, 1800 now, 17, 18. Sir, got to be 1800, sir. 19, Freddie Beerman. 19, 18, 19, 18, 19. Do you want them to maybe 19? I get 18, 19, and I have sold it. 1800, Sayers Way, 1800. 139. What didn't make him mad, did I, Charlie?
He still smiles.
All right, 166. Guys, a 686 she runs. Where's David at? He told me it's got a fuel leak or something. Where is David? Well, he did. When he left, didn't he? There you go. All right, guys, you better sell her right here. Having another time. 2, 2,500. 25, now 3, 35, now 35, 4. 35, 4, 45, 4, 45, 5. Now 5,000, shut her off. 5,000. 5,000, now 45, 47 and a half, 5,000. 7 and a half, 5. Now 5,000. We're selling her less the weights, boys. We're going to sell the weights after we get done with these two tractors now. 47 and a half, 5. 5,000 now 5,000 now 47 50 on the here not get a baby to get 5,000 here not get a baby to get 5,000 and 5,000 now 47 and a half, 5. It's fed thousands of head of cattle and hogs. 47 and a half, 5,000. Now $5,000 here not get a baby to get 5,000 on the here not get a baby to get 5 internet. You want to get 5,000 on her and 47 and a half, 5 and all done. A bit of here not get a baby to get 5,000. I have it all done. A bit of to get $5,000 now 5. Sold the tractor 4,750. 155. Let's sell the tractor first, cause, and then we'll sell those weights, okay? We're going to sell the 826 first. That's lot 851, guys. It's got, David said right before the sale, he said, I don't know if it runs or not. He said, but it's got issues with the transmission or something. We hauled it over here, guys. Bite that away. Now, here, 2,503. 2,500 now, 330. Pretty straight away, 26 German diesel, boys. 335. 3,000 now, 35. I'm at 3,000, 35. 4. 45. 45 now, 45. 45 45. The pine, 55. 55. I'm at 5,000 now, 55. 5,000 now, 55. 55. I'm at 5,000 now, 55, 51, 2, 51, now 2, 2, now 51, now 2, 51, now 2 and 3, 53, now 2, 3, 4, 54, now 4, 54, now 300, now 4. I'm at 53, now 54, I'm at 300, now 400, 53, 54, now 4, 400, now 53, now 54. I'm at 53, 54, 54. Thought he did 54, now 4, 400, now 54. Is he need a big planner? 53, 54. 54, 4, 454, 454. Now I have it all done. $5,400 now 5,400. Sold it. 5,300. Hold the truck.
913 lot.
155, 155. Now let's go to 913 lot. 913 lot, internet. Be off of your position probably.
Off of your position.
All right, right there. Got to offline. That's fine. You bet you. Times how many? Two?
Looks like you got
they
two.
75 pounders, guys, I think.
The little ones.
The little ones, 70 or 50s or 75s, I don't know which. Times two, your bid, times two. 25, 50, $15 now, 25, now, 15 now, 75, 75 now, $100 bill. With the bound, you're not going to be able to one a quarter, one a quarter, one and a half, one and a half here now, 51, 25, 150, 150. I got one a quarter piece here. No, I'm 100 and a quarter in the back. He's out at 100 and a half. 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half. I want to get 35, sir. 135, 135, now 35, now 135, 35, now one a quarter, 35. Sold him one a quarter, 56 times two. Now, 9, 12 lot. Is that right?
18 of them.
18 of them. They're the big ones. All right.
50.
25, 50, 75, 15, now 75, now 75, now 15, now 75 $100. I'm at 75, now 100. Now 1, now 85, 1. I'm at 85, now $100 bill. Now 10, 110, now 10, now 10, now 10, now 20. I'm 110, 120, 110, now 20, now 15, and now 20. Shoot a buckshot. 115, 120, 120, now 20. Here, them 20, there, them 20. Todd, 115, 120, now 20, now 120, 120. I have 115, now 5. I had 120, but down here, them 5, now 125, but all done. Sold them 120 times 18. Todd Elson, bit of number 16, 16. We're getting into the tractor sale, the Heseman farms now, guys. A 1086 red power, 1086. Guys, been using it right along, boys. You bet you. How many dollars on it? £15 on her. £15. I got 5, 6,000. I now 7,000, 8,000. I'm at 7,000. I now 8,000. I'm at 7,000. I now 8,000. I now 7,000. I now 8,000. I now 7,000. I now 8,000.
That's all right.
Now 9. I got 8,000. I now 9,000. I now 9,000. I now 8,000. 9,000. I'm at $8,000. $9,000. 85. I got 8,000 from the net. Now 85. I'm at $8,000. Now 8,500. $500. Here, 85. 85. I'm at 8,000. Now 5. Now 9. I got 85. Now 9. At 9,000. Now 9. That's 995. I'm at 995. $100. I'm going to do 92 and a half. I'm at 9,000. Now 250. I'm at 9,000. 90. 250 now 5. And now 95. Curve, you're on 95. $500. $500. 92 to be 5. At 95. 95. And all done. Here we go. 92 and a half. 9,500. Anybody else on a 1086? $9,500 monitor. At 92 and a half. 95. 95 and all done. Sold it. 92.50. Internet buys on 6846. 6846. Now, come to sale here, my mechanical front Maxim tractor right here, the MX110, now 99-year model, 10,300 and some hours on it at the time of the sale bills, guys. Triple hydraulics. Have been using all these tractors. They've been using them right along about every day, guys. You bet. Right there. I'm going to do 30. At 30,000. Now I got 15, 17, 5. I'm at 15,000. Now 17, 5 on. I'm 15,000. Now 17, 5, 16. I'm 15, 16,000. Now 15,000. Now 16,000. Now 17, 17,000. Now 18. Again, now 18,000. Now 17, 18. It's 18,000. Now 18, 18,000. I'm at 17, 18,000, now 18, now 18,000, now 18, 19. I got 18, 19,000, 19, 20. I'm at 19,000, now 20, now 20,000, now 20, now 20,000, 19,000, now 20. I'm at 19,000, now 20. I'm at 20,000, now 20, 20,000, now 20. I'm at 19,000, now 20, now 20, now 1, high 20 bid 1. Bill Gratson Lee, 2021. I'm at 20,000, now 1, high 20 bid 21. High 20,000, now 1,000, now 20, now 21,000. I'm at 20, now 21,000, now 1. 1,000 and 2021. 20,000 and 1,000 and 1,000 and 20. You're negative 1, get 21,000 and 21. Here we go. 21,000 and 21,000. Hold on, you want to do it? 21,000 and 1. I have it all done. 21,000 I have. Sold the tractor. $20,000 on it. 20,000. Gratz his way.
We got a number.
He's going to get the number he's looking for right there. We're going to pull up here and celebrate the next one right here, Lane. 215. All right, the New Holland now. I got the New Holland right here. Having another side. There you go. Here's the TS130A, guys. You betcha. All right, there. Got the do-all loader on her, guys. Good tractor. They've been using her right along, boys. Been using her right along. All right, having another side. Yes, the 215 was buyer number on the last one. Having another 30 grand on her. 17,000. $15,000. $17,000. 17, 20, now 2, now 5, now 25, 7, now 30, now 30, now 2, now 5, $35, $37, now $36,000, $36,000, $37, now 8, $8, $37, $38,000, $37, $8, $8, $37, $8,000, $37, now 8, now 8, $8, now 38,000, $37, now 8,000, $8,000, no, you're out. I get Jason in 37, 38,000, 37 pound now 8 pound now 38, 8 pound now 8, I get 8 pound now 38 pound, there we go, 37, 38 pound now 8 pound now I have sold the tractor, 37 pound. Jason, how you doing, friend? 130, good to see you. 130. All right, roll up here, guys. Here's lot number 863. No, that's not right. 859. We might got out of order a little bit here. We'll line them up this morning. David didn't think he did. Our 859 is an MX 135, guys, mechanical front 16 speed. Right there, you betcha. All right, look right here. 7,993 hours. No material bucket. You get the bale spare only. You bet. All right. 20, 22.5. 20 pound and now 22.5. 20 pound and now 22.5. 20, 22.5. Now 25 pound and now 75. 25 now 27.5. You're not going to be able to get 25 pound and now 27.5. You're not going to be able to get 25, 26,000. 25 pound and now 6,000. I get 25 pound and now 26,000. Now 7. Now 7 pound and now 8. 27, 28,000. 27 pound and now 8 pound and now 28,000. I'm at 28 now, 9 now 30, 9 now 30 now 30 now 1, 30 now 31, I'm at 30, 31, 30 been used every day, boys, 30, 31, at 30 now 31, 30 now 31,000, I'm at 31, 2, I'm 31, you're not going to be able to get 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, I'm 31, 32, 31,000 now 32, 32,000 now 3, 33,000 4, 33, 34,000 now 4, 4,000 5, 35,000 6,000, 35, 36,000, I'm at 35, 36,000 7, 37 pound now 8,000, 37 pound now 8, now 38 pound now 8, you're not going to be able to be now 6 is here, 7, no, did you turn in 7, 37, no sir, no, I got the internet at 6, you got to be 7, how about 6.5 Kirby, do you want to do that? 36.5, sir. 36.5. All done. Here we go. $36,000 now 5. You 36,000 now 5. 5. Now 36,000 now 5. Now 36,000 now 5. Now 36.5. You 36,000 now 5. 5. Now 5. Now 36,000 now 5. Now 36.5 all done. Been out here now 36.5 all done, and I have sold it. $36,000 equipment packs. 85643 Dominion City. All right, roll up. Sell the tractor first, boys. Sell the tractor first. Always, Kazi. All right, here's a 7120, guys. Here's a 7120. All right, right there. 863, the lot number, guys. It's a Case IH 7120, guys. They bought this tractor off us up at Paris, I do believe it. I may not be right. I'm not sure. Guys, 5,566 hours on. We're selling her with the duals. We are going to sell the weight separate, though, Kirby, okay? We are going to sell the weight separate, guys. It's got the easy pilot auto steer on her, guys. I tell you what, a good tractor, boys. About one of their favorite tractors they've ever owned, they told me. Guys, what a pure tractor right here. 77, you're not going to about 75,000 on her. I got 30, 35, 35, 40 now 5. I'm at 40,000 now 45,000. I'm at 40 now 5. I'm 40 now 45. 45,000 now 40. You're not going to be able to get 40 now 5. At 40,000 now 5. 5,000 now 40. You're not going to be able to get 40 to 45,000 now 40 now 5,000. You're not going to be able to get 40 now 5. I'm at 40,000 now 45. 45,000 now 40 now 45. 45,000 now 40. You're not going to be able to get 5,000 now 45. I'm at 40,000 now 50. 42 3. I'm 3 4. I'm 44 45,000 now 45,000 now 4,000 now 45,000 now 5,000 now 44 45 6,000. I'm 47,000 now 8. Now 48,000 now 8. Get 8,000 now 48,000 now 8. Get 8,000 now 47,000 now 8. 8,000 now 47,000 now 8. 8,000 now 48,000. I'm 47 now 9. 9,000 now 9 here now 9. What about it? You're not going to be able to get 9 here now 9. At 49,000 now 9. 9,000 now 9. 9,000. At 49,000 now 9. Guys, I tell you what, here's one that's pure. You can acknowledge your bid internet. You can't find these box cars, guys, that don't have 15,000 hours on them. This has got 50-some hundred hours on it, guys. You're buying the duals. Real tractor it is, guys. It's been in the shed when it wasn't in the field. Now 51. I've got 50 bid, 51. I have 50 bid 1. I have 50,000 now 1. I now 51,000 now 51, 51,000 now 51,000. I have 50 here now 51 2. I have 51, 52 now 3. 53,000 now 3. Now 3,000 here now get a 3. Now 3,000 you're not gonna be able to get 53 for Iona. I have 53,000 now 3. Now 3 3 3 now 3 3 3 now 4. I now 54 54,000 now 54,000. I'm at 53 54. I now 54,000 now 4,000. You're not gonna be able to get 54 54,000. You're not gonna be able to get 54 54 for Iona, Missouri. Now 54 54 10. I'm 53 now 4. I now 53 5. You want to be able to get 53 5. I have all done, but you're not gonna be able to get 5 5. I get 53 53 5, and I have 53,000 now 5 500 $500. You're not gonna be able to get 5 5 5 now 53 5 and all done. Sold it. Equipment packs 53,000. Hold the truck 370-775. Now we may be offline. I don't know.
909.
909. 909. Thank you. Right there. And how many of them is there?
17.
17 of them. You times your bid right there. And how many here? $50.75. 75. 60 now 75. I'm at 16. 75. 75. 75. $60.75. All done. Here we go. $60.75. 75. Sold them. $60 times however many had there on 50. 17 on 56 of our 56. Now roll up here. Roll up here. And the next one is. I think he got these out of line too, didn't he? Maybe.
862, Chad.
862 is the next one in the ring, guys. Here's the 255 tractor. Now, Curb, can read the hours on this tractor for me, would you please, sir? Here's a hydraulic auto steer, guys. The high flow pump got the big 1000 PTO on it now. Left-hand reverser, power shift, guys, for hydraulic. It's got the quick hitch now, 46-inch rubber with the duals on the back. It's got the 34-inch front tires with the duals on the front. Got an Outback S3 monitor now. Hydraulic auto steer, guys, and e-drive. 4683, guys, coming running here, $100,000. Listen to Kirby, $100,000, 35, 40, 40 now, 5 here now, $50,000 now, $50,000 now, 50 now, 5, 55, $55,000 now, $50,000 now, 55. I'm at 50, 55,000. I'm at 50, 55,000 now, 55 now, 55, $55,000. You're not gonna be between $50,000 now, 55, 55. Come on, boys, 50 now, 55, $55,000 now, 50 now, 55, $55,000. You want them? You're not gonna be between $50,000, 55, $50,000, $55,000 now, 55, $55,000. You're not gonna be between $5, 60. I now $60,000 now, 75, 60 now, 25. I get $60,000 now, 25. $60,000 now, 62. Do you want them? $60,000, 62. Do you want them? I'm gonna here now, 25. $60,000, 62. Do you want them? You're not gonna be between 2. Do you want them? 62. $60,000. Everybody get 2. $60,000 now, 2. You're not gonna be between $60,000 1. $61,000 now, 1. Now $1,000. You're not gonna be between $1,000. You're not gonna be between 61.
You can't help it one much.
Now 1. Now $1,000 now. Boys, you want to buy a tractor worth of money right here? You just put your hand right in the air. 4,700 hours. My gosh, guys, that's right. 61,000. Do you want it? I had 60 bid 1. Now 1,000. Now 1. Now 2. I 1 and 2. Now 2,000. Go on. 61 now 2. 61 now 2,000. Do you want it? Now 3. 2 now 3. 3 now 63. 62,000 now 3,000. Here now you be now 3 now 63,000. 62,000 now 3,000 now 3,000. You're not gonna be now 3 now 3,000. You're not gonna be now 3 now 3,000 now 3. 63,000 now 3 now 3. Last and final call, you want her, boys? 63,000 now 3. 2,000 now 3. What? 63,000 I have. 62,000 now 3 now 3,000 now 3 now 3,000 now 3. I have it all done. $63,000 now 3. Sold it Kirby's way. 62,000.
Fire's gonna be 133.
133. Thank you. 133. All right, right. Here's the 275 Magnum now, guys. You bet you got the 46-inch rear rubber, 34-inch fronts there with the duals of respectively now. 10 front weights, 4 hydraulic rounds, power beyond power shift transmission, guys. 4282 on the hours. Pro 700 monitor, got the 372 antenna on it, guys. Factory auto steer, 9-pin ISO connector, guys, and you bet a nice tractor with 4,300 hours on her. All right, right, dual shaft right there, triple shafts. All right, 100, $100,000, 100, now 50, 560, now 570, now 580, high 80,000, now 80,000, now 75, 80, I'm at 80,000, now 75, 80, now 80,000, now 85, I get 85, now 90, 85 here now 90, 90,000, 90,000 now 90 now 87 5 90 now 2 5 92 5 now 92 5 5 95,000 now 95 95,000 I'm at 92 5 95,000 on you're not gonna be 95 95,000 on a big crane 95,000 now 92 5 5 92 5 95,000 now 90 now 92 5 90,000 now 92 5 I'm at 90,000 now 2 5 do you want to you're not gonna be 90 92 5 I'm at 90,000 now 92 5 92 5 do you want to not gonna be able to get down 90 now 92 5 I'm at 90,000 now 92 5 do you want to now with Brett Sayre 90,000 now 92 5 I'm at 90,000 now 92 5 do you want to not gonna be able to 2 5 90 now 92 5 I'm at 90,000 everybody get 92 5 how about 91 guys I tell you what the hours are right the tractor's right she's ready to roll 91,000 I get 90,000 91 I'm at 90,000 now 1 I'm 91 I'm at 90,000 now 1 1,000 now 91,000 now 1,000 now 91,000 internet you want to do anything 91 I'm at 90,000 now 1 1,000 now 91,000 you're not going to be able to 1 91,000 I'm at 91 2 I now 92 I 91 now 2 Brett now you're out 92 I'm sorry I was trying 91,000 bid 2 92,000 91 92,000 I'm at 92,000 here 2 he's a nice gentleman 92,000 92 now 3 I now 93 internet 93 I 92,000 now 3,000 now 4 I now 94 I 93 94 I 4 now 4 I now 4 5 I now 95 95,000 here not going to be able to 5 94 95 95,000 now 5,000 you're not going to be able to 5,000 you're not going to be able to I'm going to call 93,000 Wheeler Live equipment facts you didn't make you're going to have to bid something bigger. We got 93, 94 equipment facts. You both flash the same time. I'm sorry. 94. Somebody's got to be something bigger. 94, 93, 94. What do you get? 3, 5? Anybody? In equipment facts that help you? 93, 5 and all that. 93, 5. 93,000 and 5, 5 and 5. 93, 5 and all that. Bit about here done by 93, 5 and I have. Bit about here not going to be here done by 5 and I have. All done. Last final call. 93, 5. Sold it. 93,000. That's 6558. 6558. Thank